Hey guys, it's Unicorn here. Today we're gonna open up this Ice Castle Spin Surprise. If you guys know, I use these toys for my videos, my creative videos. So let's open this one up. If you don't know, my favorite character is Elsa. So I'm really hoping to get the purple one, but we'll see what happens. So you're gonna go ahead and open it up from the back where it tells you to open it up. I love this. It's going to be perfect for my sets, guys. Isn't this cute? Okay, we got two. There's Elsa, Anna, Elsa. I really want an Olaf background, though, so I'm okay with that, too. See how cute he is? So look how cool this is. I actually ordered this toy, so I'm having that come. And I can add this stacker to it. Okay, guys, it's the big reveal. Oh my gosh. Well, I got my favorite princess, which is Queen Elsa of Arendelle, and she's purple. I don't have a purple one yet. And look, guys, I got this. I didn't get my Olaf background, but that's okay because this is amazing. But this will work really good for the sets that I'm making. And look at Elsa. This one is beautiful. She can be a new character in the production that we are making. I actually bought a few of these. I bought this one and then I bought the Frozen one as well. So this I got. So I can add it to the little Storytime stacker. How cute. Oh my gosh, but Anna has one too? Now I have to get Anna, guys. I really do. How cute. But my Elsa is a strong queen and she knows who she is and she's gonna be ready to create magic here on Unicorn Magic.